Let's take a look at scene direction. When you're moving around an environment like the office shown here, the immersive experience is helped by having the user's point of view be relative to the direction in which they are entering the scene. So, for instance, in this scene called Front Office, the user has multiple exit and entry points into different rooms, and they can return from each of those rooms back to this main area. Since we only have a single starting view we can define, this is where scene direction is used. So let's look at this example link to the kitchen. When we return from this link, we wouldn't want to be looking in this direction. We should actually be looking in this direction as if we had just come in from that door. We do this by modifying the link to scene action on the hotspot that brings us back to the front office from the kitchen. So let's go to the kitchen scene and let's look at that return link that goes back to the front office. You see that next to the scene we now have a pie wedge icon that tells us the direction we're going to enter the scene in. By default, this is the starting angle for the scene, which is represented as straight up. Clicking on this icon will load the scene that you are linking to, where we can set the proper scene direction. After clicking on Done, you'll see the direction indicated by the pie wedge icon in the properties. Now when we come back from the kitchen, we are facing the correct direction and we get a much more immersive walkthrough of the facility.